Alright guys, what's up? Haven't made a video in a long time, but I've been really busy. But here's this little quick video of how to put an S550 key on the 3 valve on your 05 to 09. But I read it's just for, it only works for 06 and 05. It only works for 06 and 05s. I got it off of eBay. I'll put the link in the description if y'all want to go cop it. It's pretty nice. It has this little Ford right here, the S550 key. But what you want to do is go to either Home Depot, Walmart, whatever, and get this key cut to your, get the key cut to the that's the factory one. You know it's the original one when it has Ford right there. I'll show you with my other key so you can see. This is the one you're supposed to copy. So and to do this you're gonna have to have, alright, so you're gonna have to have your spare and your original key to be able to program this one. I'll show you once I get it cut and everything how to program it. To have to program it with the little chip that comes inside, because these have little chips, so you're able to program it. So you need 2 keys, because if you only have one you're gonna have to go to the locksmith or like Ford to get this one to work. But if you have a spare, then I would be able to show you how to do this and how to connect to the buttons, everything works. So let me go to Home Depot real quick and I'll be back to show you how to do it. Alright guys, I just got my key cut. As you can see, looks similar. I actually went to Walmart because Home Depot didn't want to do it. But what you want to do first is get it inside your car and have all the doors locked. Get your factory key, turn it on till it clicks, turn it off, put your second one, and when you're done put your third one, the one you just did, there. It should be already chipped in, should be already connected to the car. But as you can see, once you press it doesn't work, so I'm gonna show you how to connect that. So what I'm gonna do is get my the factory key, turn it 8 times. Once the 8 times, you're gonna hear the doors unlock and lock. That's gonna mean that it's ready to program. So once you're done, just press the lock button and it should program itself, and that should be it. So let's go. Alright guys, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See the doors locked, so you just press the lock button and it's already unlocked. It's programmed. Should be programmed. See, it's programmed already. It unlocks it. It locks it. So let's see the test if it turns it on. So this is the new one. Clutch in. Turns right on. Yeah guys, that's it. Look at this badass key. Instead of having that key and this remote, you're just gonna have this simple one which looks better. You're gonna have to mess with a lot of things. Everything's working fine. Looks good. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and peace.
I don't take naps. Me and the money are way too attached to go and do that. Muscle relax.